going past this thing.
You want me to?
I'm documenting it. Look how fast it is. Jessica, you have any comments on Hurricane Irene?
I feel like I'm on the Weather Channel.
This is just the bay, though. This is just the bay, not the ocean. Look how close it is to the wall.
Super close. Mom, no. Don't fall over. Okay, done.
About 2 feet from the top.
Holy ball sack. See this, YouTube?
Oh, it's all going to be over.
Look how fast. Anything you want to say about this horrible hurricane?
We're gonna die! No, just kidding. This is fucking scary.
Do you have any last words?
Oh, these people are gonna die.
Any last words?
I love you.
Okay. Look how fast the current is. Is there any way we can get down to the ocean?
Can you get up?
Not even like down there?
Nah, because all these people are evacuated, so all
Oh.
the parts you can see is cars or private.
Oh, wow.
So you can't get on that road at all?
Video. And then we go
Wetlands.
there is no traffic.
Yeah.
So it's all evacuated.
Super fast current.
We weren't sure if it was evacuated.
This is in Seabright, New Jersey. Rumson, whatever you want to call it. Fast water. Holy crap.
10 minutes and we're out of here.
This is intense. Okay, bye.